quickly show you R53 steering wheel fitting. It's got carbon Alcantara there. You can get those on our website. So you're going to need some sort of blunt instrument. I'm using an Allen key and we're going to paste through these holes here. You'll also need some torque drivers as well, but we'll get onto that later. So basically there's a little indent there. You just got to push through that and find the metal clip on the back and then just release that like that. Same on that side. You have to feel around and you can feel when you get to the metal clip, so you get that off. And there's your airbag disconnected. Obviously we've disconnected the battery first and left it to idle so that it drains any energy in there. So on the back of the steering wheel you've got these two little plugs there, green on the bottom, black on the top. So just get me a little screwdriver. And it's just left out. Just be careful obviously when you're doing these, you don't want to break anything. It says. So there's your green one, same on the black one. Obviously just work each side if it looks like it's coming off at an angle. Clip back in. Those. And there's your black one. So remember, oh, it's colour coded anyway, so you can't get those two mixed up. Once you've got that off, you need a big 16mm bolt in the middle. Now I'm hoping I've got enough strength to do this without. Nope, dead tight. So use the big bar. There it goes. And it's just a case of unwinding that. So once you've got not quite off, just give that a wiggle so it lifts up like that, so then when you do it, you don't smack yourself in the head. Bolts off. And then it's just a matter of feeding those through. So that black one there, you've got one clip. And then the other two just slide through the back. So we'll get that off, we'll get this on a bench, we'll swap everything over, and then we'll come back to you in a minute.
Okay, go.
Okay, so once the wheel's off, got your little tiny torques, there's a little earth one there. We'll just take that one out. You've got the wire, and you've got these three bigger ones.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
And then that whole frame will come out and bolt to that one. And on the back of the steering wheel, again, torque driver. There's three there. So once you've undone it, just push it forward. Just unclips it then. Don't drop the screws.
Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than others.
So you'll have to just get your fingers in there and then they just unclip basically.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
That's tight. And there's the third one, so we can get that one out of the way. And then it's just a reverse basically of what you've just done. So your little carbon one in there. Clips into that. Once. Is that the right way around or is it that way? Hungry. Tight there. Nice and tight in there. And you can see it's screw clip, so you know, like I just discovered. That one in there. So they're all on. And then it's just a matter of screwing those three things back on there. So you'll see there you've got like a locator on them. Just make sure none of your wires are trapped in there.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Take my eyes open to force reality.
Lock one in. And this little fiddly earth one.
My weight in glee. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
Get your little earth in there. I'll just spin that back so it's not in the way of the bolt. Put it up to that side. And then the three on the back. And then we're ready for installation. Oh, long screwdriver. It's definitely there. Don't need to over tighten them obviously. And there we go, all back together. So we'll get back in the car, we'll get us installed, be back in a minute. Okay guys, all built up, so just a reverse of what we did before basically. So feed them back through there. Obviously now is your critical moment of getting this square. A bit of a wiggle. Make sure that's clock spring is in there. So what you'll see on this, I may as well show you this, is a little hole there, and that goes in the middle of there. So obviously that clock spring stays in the right place. So that's the bit that you're looking for, as well as the splines. Oh. Okay, so no, don't need to force it, just make sure that them two are lined up and your wires aren't getting trapped there. It's awkward doing it all at once, but that's how it is. Pull one out through. So again, that's got to be, we'll see. So steering wheel on the spline, and then make sure that that bottom bit's in that hole, which is dead bottom. Feel it. Right. Does it wiggle that every time I move that?
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
That was annoying.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
Don't want to push it too hard. So that's in. So that, you'll see on there, if you look through there, once you've got it in that hole, you'll see that that won't move, because obviously that moves with the steering wheel. Then once you're on there, you can give it a bit more of it onto the splines then. Just that. Don't know why it's put that. Then it's just bolt up, connect on, airbag back on. So got that on, got the bolt on. Now you'll see there's still a bit of a gap there, and it wants to be tight, so it's going to pull it, basically pull the wheel down with that onto the splines. Obviously first time it's going to be tight, but if you ever did remove it, it should just go on its own. That's that bit. And then it's, again, pretty colour coded, so get your green, it's ready. Make sure the mini badges are right way. So it's green from that one. Tight these. And black, so they're both on. And then obviously once you're there, line that up, clip it back on, check your springs okay. Okay guys, wheels back on, so we'll just test everything. We've put the battery back on, so big test on now. So there should be no airbag light, obviously, because you've disconnected it. Yeah, that's all fine, that's gone off. Now what you want to check is indicators cancel, so you turn in that way, turn back and it cancels, turn in that way and then turn back and it cancels, so that's all good. You can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. We do all the other accessories that you can see on the steering wheel as well, so have a look on there, you might find something. Thanks for watching, keep liking, subscribing and sharing, etc. Until next time.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality.